Alright, Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon to all my fellow students. Alright, I hope you are ready and focus the video. Alright, so we continue future time expression. It's still future time expression on page 67 on your textbook. Okay, open your textbook now. I give you 3 seconds to open your textbook. Okay. Okay, enough time. I hope your textbook is open now. Okay, open page 67. All right, so we continue the grammar in context, maths, number 5. All right, I will read first, then I hope you give the answer by reading the question and answer. And the correct answer lah. Okay, number 5. Read the maths problems and circle the correct answer for 1 until 8. Baca masalah matematik dan bulatkan jawapan yang betul bagi soalan 1 hingga 8. A. Bananas are 1.20 euros a kilo. Apples are 2.50 euros a kilo and pears are 2.20 euros a kilo. You are going, question number 1, a buy, to buy or buying by half a kilo of bananas, a kilo of apples and a kilo of pears. Will a 5 euro note, question number 2, it be or be enough to pay for them? B. Sue gets 100 euros for her birthday. She, question number 3, will to or going to or is going to spend 36.99 euros on a camera and 12.50 euros on a DVD. How much change? Question number 4. She will have, will she have, or will have she? C. You, question number 5, going or going to go or are going to go on holiday to the USA, and youth, you have. Question number 6, like or like to or would like. Change 200 euros into dollars. 1 euro is equal to $1.5. How many dollars? Question number 7. Will you get or you will get or will get when you, question number 8, will change or are going to change or change this number of euros. Alright, so people, you need to answer this question. No need to copy or you don't need to write down in your exercise book. Okay, so the task today, you have to give me voice note. Give me voice note about this answer. Alright, you have to read this question and give the correct answer by voice note. Okey. Tugasan kamu hari ini ialah kamu perlu bagi voice note dalam WhatsApp kepada teacher, baca maths problem ni berserta dengan jawapan yang betul. Okey, itu sahaja.